guys, kami nga pala mga estudyante ng MPC. Ay, grabe yung init, no?
Sobra, grabe talaga. Ang lala niya ngayon.
Sa balat?
Parang trumipli yung init kahapon.
Oo nga eh.
Grabe.
Nagsa-sunscreen ba kayo?
O naman, be, masusunog ka, be, pag wala kang sunscreen.
Oo nga eh. Ba't kaya ganito kainit? Eh, grabe. Parang parang ilang segundo lang na tagos na kaagad yung yung init sa balat. Grabe.
Sakit niya sa balat, literal. Kahit pa alas 4 na.
Ang usok pa.
Grabe. Sobrang init. Grabe na dito.
May dala ba kayong payong? May dala ba kayong payong?
Wala kami dalang payong, be.
Dapat pala susunod magdala na tayo ng payong, be.
Tsaka pa may pay, grabe init
Ang
talaga.
tubig. Ang tubig. Diyos ko. Uhaw na ako.
Init dito.
Ay. Kaya nyo pa dyan?
Ay, nako, di na, be.
Ay. Sige na, tara na. Bilisan na natin. Hi vlog! We are the Group 1 and we are here in Marikina City. So ayun guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Marikina City para tungayan natin yung temperature or kung gaano kainit ngayon dito sa Marikina City. Diba nga, as of what the effects of climate change, ayun, masasaksihan po natin ngayon. So, may mga dala ba kayong payong guys?
Wala.
Siyempre wala. Nag-sunscreen ba kayo?
Wala.
Siyempre. Hi mga ka-vlog! Masasabi natin na ibang-iba na talaga ang panahon ngayon kaysa noon. Diba? Marami na tayong buildings ngayon, madami na tayong pinapatayong mga inspektura, tulad ng mga eskwelahan, mga ospital at marami pang iba. Meron na din tayong electricity at ganun din pagdating sa transportation natin, marami na tayong ginagamit tulad nitong mga kotse, mga van, mga motorsiklo. Dati diba kalesa lang naman gamit natin. At kapag sa electricity naman, ilaw-ilaw lang naman natin noon ay kandila. Diba? Napakarami na nagbago ngayon sa atin. Pero sa kabila nito, marami din nagbago sa klima natin. Ano kaya yung naging epekto ng mga pagbabagong ito sa ating klima? Bakit kaya ganito na ang nangyari sa atin klima ngayon?
What is climate change? A climate change refers to the long-term shift in a global, regional climate pattern, primarily contribute to human activities such as burning fossil fuel, deforestation, and industrial process. This activity release greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, which trap heat and lead to a warming effect known as greenhouse effect. This warming alert weather pattern contribute to rising sea level, intensifies extreme weather event, and disrupt ecosystem. The consequences of climate change are wide-ranging and pose significant challenge to human society, economies, and the environment.
Climate change impact is massive if we make it even worse. One of it is the human activity, which include the improper waste disposal. Many people don't care about throwing their waste in every areas or places that they can see. Most of it affect the sewerage near that places or areas that causes it to be blocked, that leads into flooding. And if we make a solution for that problem, it will be to start doing proper waste disposal. and make all the people know about how they can do a proper waste disposal. Or they can start implementing proper waste disposal or management in every barangay and start cleaning the affected places.
Climate change results severe storms and super typhoons. As you can see, this is recently super typhoon happened in the Philippines. It is windy, severe, extremely, and massively destruct many houses, infrastructures, and people. Also, climate change results sea rise level, wherein the North and the South Pole glaciers or ice are melting. More greenhouse gases came from the people. It came from their human activities, and it results severe storms, floods, landslides, and more. People nowadays produces more greenhouse gases, and these greenhouse gases traps in our ozone. And with this, it results ozone depletion.
Everyone can help limit climate change, from the way we travel to the electricity we use and the food we eat. We can make a difference. Start with these actions to help tackle the climate crisis. Save energy at home. Much of our electricity and heat is powered by coal, oil, and gas. Use less energy by lowering your heating and cooling, switching to LED light bulbs and energy-efficient electric appliances, washing your laundry with cold water, or hanging things to dry instead of using a dryer. Eat more vegetables. Eating more vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds, and less meat and dairy can significantly lower your environmental impact. Producing plant-based foods generally results in fewer greenhouse gas emissions and requires less energy, land, and water.
So ending our reliance on fossil fuels. Ang pinakamalagang bagay na magagawa natin upang labanan ang climate change ay reduce our consumption of fossil fuels. Ang pagsusunog ng mga uling, langis at natural gas in our buildings, industrial processes, and transportation is responsible for the vast majority of emissions that are warming the planet. So more than 75% according to the United Nations. Bukod sa pagbabago ng klima, dirty energy comes with unacceptable ecological and human health impacts. So we must replace coal, oil, and gas with renewable and efficient energy sources. So sa tuwing lumilipas na taon, clean energy is making gains as technology improves and production go down.
Narito pa ang ilang mga pamamaraan upang makatulong na makabawas sa epekto ng climate change.
Magtipid sa paggamit ng kuryente, buksan ang pintana at hayaang makapasok ang natural na liwanag at hangin sa ating tahanan. Iwasang gumamit ng aircon o bunutin ang plug ng appliances kung hindi ginagamit. Magtipid sa paggamit ng tubig, maging practical sa paggamit ng sasakyan, maglakad kung kinakailangan, at huwag magsunog ng anumang basura. Maitutulong gumamit ng recycle bag at iwasan ang paggamit ng mga plastic bag.